Hello friends, welcome back to the my new video guys and my YouTube channel. Today friends, we are going to talk about how can we solve Wi-Fi network problem in our Redmi phone. As you have guys your Wi-Fi network problem in your Redmi phone, so when you want to solve guys your Wi-Fi network problem, so when how to solve guys Wi-Fi network problem today, I will show you in this video. So before starting video, friends, first of all go and subscribe this channel guys. Click the bell icon, like my video. So first of all guys, what will you have to do to solve your Wi-Fi network problem? Open your phone setting and yes, scroll it. Once you can see get this more setting in your Redmi phone, you can see. So let's click on this more setting, guys, tap here and yes, scroll. Once you can see your last network research setting, guys, tap here. Once you can see your Wi-Fi setting, guys, we will tap on Wi-Fi setting. And once you can see draw your pattern. So once you have any pattern lock, as you have any pin lock, and once you have any name password, so you will have to enter your password and as you will have to draw your pattern to solve your Wi-Fi network problem. So as I will draw my pattern and guys, don't worry, and guys you can see this OK option, guys, tap here to solve your Wi-Fi network problem. Then guys come back, your Wi-Fi network problem has solved and guys your Wi-Fi will on automatic after solved. So guys now you can connect any Wi-Fi network, you can use it. So example guys, I will connect my Wi-Fi network setting, guys, I will connect and guys you can use your Wi-Fi setting from here. So guys you can, oh, I think there's wrong password, 1 2 3. You can see guys Wi-Fi network will connect. And guys I want to, if I want to share password and guys you want to share password, you can share. So you can see guys your Wi-Fi will connect. So like that guys you can solve your Wi-Fi network problem in your Redmi phone. So that's it guys, thanks for watching the video guys, we will meet on next video, bye friends.